The mentorship program is developed to assist, train, and develop persons working on road and bridge construction projects and to help them perform their duties at a high level and to help graduates to register as professionals at EXA. My name is Jan Bierman. I'm a professional civil engineer registered with EXA with 30 years experience in road supervision, constructing over 900 kilometers of road and supervised the construction of 15 bridges. The mentorship program consists of theory and practical. The theory consists of reading and writing tests on CBITA, COLTO, SAPIM, and TRH manuals to gain an understanding about the basic concepts and materials and best practices for road and bridge construction. The practical part consists of applying this knowledge on site. You need to submit assignments and do some practical tasks, submitting photos that you're actually there. It's like completing the checklist, calculating and counting the cement bags when you're doing road stabilization. I will phone you on a weekly basis to make sure that you understand what's expected of you and that you are performing your duty at a high level. And also to make sure that you don't make too many mistakes. I will share tips, tricks, the dangers and pitfalls gained over many years of construction and that you won't find in these manuals. Make sure that we limit the risks, standing time, unnecessary claims, blames, and shames, ensuring quality and production. You will gain respect on site and you'll be able to make good engineering decisions. So I help you with the planning, testing, supervising, the quality, the designs, monitoring, and the management. The mentorship program consists of 21 modules, courses, as presented in 4 levels, depending on your role and responsibility on site. You'll receive a certificate for completing each module or course for each level. The small courses will contribute towards the big certificate for each level. There's a few options how you can enroll. You can either just do the theory on the manuals and earn some CPD points, or you can enroll for one manual, and then you need to complete all the fundamental and elective tasks for that course. Or you can also enroll in a monthly subscription. So you'll have access to all the levels and all the modules during the project, and it can carry over to other projects as well. You will have a 30% discount. It's only 50% of the electives needs to be completed to get the certificate. Just a note that you can't do more than 4 modules simultaneously. You have to finish one before you can start the next one at 4 max. A sample is given the price list, and we're looking forward to having you on board.